Welcome to this instructional video designed to enhance your English fluency and provide guidance on various speaking topics. Listen attentively to the conversation, grasp the topic's essence, and engage in practice sessions to refine your speaking skills. Let's embark on this journey towards proficiency together.
Hi, my name is Amma, and in this video, I and Ali are going to discuss our passion for tourism and travel, sharing dream destinations and plans for exciting adventures around the world.
Hey Amma, how's it going?
Hey Ali, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. So, have you been thinking about any travel plans lately?
Absolutely. I've been itching to go on a trip for ages. How about you?
Oh, definitely. I've been dreaming about exploring new places and experiencing different cultures. Where are you thinking of going?
I'm thinking of backpacking through Europe. It's been on my bucket list for so long, and I can't wait to finally make it happen. What about you?
That sounds amazing. Europe is full of rich history and breathtaking scenery. I'm actually considering a trip to Southeast Asia. I've heard it's a paradise for adventure seekers and food lovers.
Southeast Asia sounds incredible. I've always wanted to visit countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. The food alone is reason enough to go.
Absolutely. The thought of trying authentic pad Thai in Thailand or indulging in delicious street food in Vietnam gets me so excited. Plus, there are so many beautiful beaches and temples to explore.
Definitely. And the best part is that Southeast Asia is relatively affordable for travelers, so we won't have to break the bank to have an amazing experience.
That's true. Budget-friendly travel options are always a plus, especially for longer trips. Have you started planning your itinerary yet?
Not yet, but I've been doing some research on must-visit places and activities. I want to make sure I don't miss out on anything.
That's smart. Planning ahead can help make the most of our time and budget. I'm thinking of starting with Thailand and then making my way through Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam.
Sounds like a fantastic route. Each country has its own unique charm and attractions. Have you looked into any specific activities or landmarks you want to see?
Definitely. I'm hoping to explore the bustling markets in Bangkok, visit the ancient temples of Angkor Wat in Cambodia, go trekking in the mountains of Laos, and cruise through the limestone islands of Halong Bay in Vietnam.
Wow, that sounds like an incredible adventure. I'll have to add some of those experiences to my own itinerary. It's amazing how much there is to see and do in Southeast Asia.
Absolutely. I can't wait to immerse myself in the local cultures, try new foods, and make unforgettable memories along the way. Traveling truly opens our minds and broadens our perspectives.
I couldn't agree more. It's not just about seeing new places, but also about learning and growing as individuals. I'm sure our trip to Southeast Asia will be an unforgettable journey filled with adventure and discovery.
Definitely. I'm already counting down the days until we embark on this epic adventure together. It's going to be amazing.
Agreed. I can't wait to hit the road and explore everything that Southeast Asia has to offer. Thanks for inspiring me to make this trip happen, Ali.
Anytime, Amma. Traveling is always better when shared with good friends. Let's make this the trip of a lifetime.
Definitely, Ali. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Let's make it one for the books.
Absolutely. Let's make every moment count and create memories that will last a lifetime, Amma. We hope this video helped you enhance your listening and speaking skills. Keep practicing. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Mention the topics you want us to make videos on them. We're always eager to hear from you.